Mucho menu, mejor, yeah. This is the remix from KK. Alongside Batman. Alongside Tiny. Are you ready? Man, Mr. George gave me this for free. 3 kebabs. Man, this happens once in the blue moon, no? That is crazy. I never expected this, man. Wow. Are you ladies loving it? Yeah. How is it going? Okay, so this is Yam?
Yes, right, yeah.
And that's the chef, the main chef over there.
Yes.
With his blue glasses, yeah.
That's how we have a discount.
I'm the chefette.
I'm a chefette, okay.
Yeah,
you Ghanaian, right?
myself, yes.
Oh, okay. This is the first time
I'm
here?
from Ghana, yes.
The first time,
This is the first time, so there have been some hiccups, but
okay.
we plan to improve on it next year.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because we are inundated with customers, so we're not able to meet the demand.
Okay.
The cooking is not going at pace with
okay.
the fries.
Yeah.
That's how that.
Fine, they're just.
Hello.
Yo.
How you doing?
Good.
What's your name?
Yana.
Yanni, okay. You Ghanaian yourself? Are you Ghanaian?
Huh?
Are you Ghanaian?
Oh no.
Where are you from?
My friend, Tanzania.
Tanzania? Oh wow, that's okay. Okay, I found your friend.
Yeah.
Wow. Your first time being here?
Sorry?
It's your first time here?
Yeah.
Okay, and how do you love it?
Love it, I love it.
Okay. Yes, sir. How you doing, mister?
I'm alright.
You good? Yeah? Wow, man, this fire blazing. I love your glasses. What's your name, bro?
My name is George Akulbiri.
Where you from?
I'm from Ghana.
You're from Ghana? The northern, I guess. You're from the north, right?
Yeah.
Which part?
Bulgat, Upper East region.
Bangatanga. Bongo. Okay, wow. So this is your first time in here?
Yeah?
This is your first time in here?
No, I started from scratch.
Okay, from start.
When?
The first started?
Yeah. When Kojobonsu started it first, I was the first person to be invited.
Wow.
I started with him and I can't remember that park name.
Okay.
Then from there, come to this place.
Wow.
Then we go to Seven Sisters.
Wow. It belongs
back to this place.
Wow.
So over many years.
Over a decade,
I never missed
Ghana party in the park. So what meat is this? What meat is this?
It's lamb.
Lamb, okay, lamb. Okay.
kebabs.
Oh, lamb kebab, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Man, I can't wait to try this. I'll be back very soon and I can't taste, man.
Why not?
Oh, all for me?
Yeah.
Whoa, Mr. Bongo. I forgot. He's from Bongo, yeah? What's your name?
I'm George Akulbiri.
George from Bongo. Last time, okay. So you gave me 3 of these, man. This is great. Thank you, boss. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah.
I love you.
Wow. Is that chicken?
Yeah.
Boneless. So this is the Caribbean style boneless Caribbean food, yeah? And this chicken. Then fully smoked and I can really feel the smoke. So boneless Caribbean food. And everything's on point, you know? Say to them, I do those videos, yeah.
Emotion.
Yeah. What's the name? What's it called?
Jet Rose.
Okay, Fresh Fusion. Wow. Okay. You Jamaican? Are you Jamaican or Ghanaian? Are you Jamaican or Ghanaian?
Jamaican.
Jamaican, okay. I'll be going there in 2 months' time.
In 2 months, you're gonna love it.
Really?
Yeah.
We're hoping soon.
I'm gonna go Ghana soon as well.
Okay, where is that?
When I book the flight.
Okay. That you're not sure yet? You're not sure yet?
No, I need to go. I just haven't booked it yet.
Okay. So what meat is this? Is it chicken?
Yeah, boneless.
Boneless chicken, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Is it the first time being here or you do come every year?
Yeah, this is our first time I've gone in the park.
And are you loving it?
Enjoying it.
How's business going? How's business going?
Business going good.
Okay.
It's going good.
Okay.
It's really
That's
good
great.
today.
That's great. Okay.
How's your day been so far? Good?
Yeah. I just came in. I was a bit late today, so.
Yeah, just making up for it.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
You're welcome. That's all right. What's your name?
Huh?
What's your name?
Lukman.
Where you from? Jamaica?
Nah, Kenya.
You from Kenya?
Kenya, yeah, Mombasa.
Oh, Mombasa, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
But I'm Arab, hence the hair.
Yeah, because yeah, Kenyan, like kind of Kenyan with this kind of hair.
Yeah.
So your mom's Kenyan.
Nah, both mom and dad, no, my mom's Arab, my dad's Arab,
Hey,
and my mom's Kenyan, yeah, but they have mixed. It's like 5 generations in Kenya. Yeah, so
That's long.
yeah, so it's a heavy mix.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. So what meat is this?
This is jerk chicken.
Chicken, the boneless.
Yeah. Yeah, the thighs.
Okay. And how's business?
Business is good, can't complain.
Yeah, but it's the first time in here. Or?
Me personally, yeah, I don't know if it is for the rest of them.
Okay.
But for me personally, it is.
Wow. And what sauce? A pepper sauce? It's pepper sauce or chili?
Homemade sauce,
Homemade sauce, okay.
It's like a chutney marinade.
Oh, okay, man, okay.
Yeah, it goes on well like this. Honestly, it's good. You like spicy but sweet, it's very good.
Okay. That's very
Very
one.
good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jerk and rum.
Okay, I'll check it out.
Jerk and rum.
Check it out.
Honestly.
Sindaco.
Okay.
Sindaco.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll find it.
Check it out, okay?
I'll find it. Thank you very much, my guy.
Sick. You see it there.
Where,